In this video we will learn: what are the minimum system requirements to download Windows 11? Minimum system requirements. Processor: 1 GHz or faster with 2 or more cores on a compatible 64-bit processor or system on a chip SoC. Memory: 4 GB RAM. Storage: 64 GB or larger storage device. System firmware: UEFI, secure boot capable. TPM, Trusted Platform Module, TPM, version 2.0. Graphics card: DirectX 12 compatible graphics/WDDM2.x. Display: 9 with HD resolution, 720p. Internet connection: Microsoft account and internet connectivity required for setup for Windows 11 Home. To learn more, see description for detail analysis.